How to fix listen EACCES, permission denied on any port. Has anyone experienced something like this with Node? I was running Angular, my Windows crashed and restarted, and now when I try serve, I'm getting I also tried serve port 4201. Same result. Note: before Windows restarted I was running the app in WSL. After, I tried WSL and PowerShell. Update: it is even happening with a new project.
One Windows restart isn't enough. I restarted twice and the problem is gone. Sorry, I don't have anything more technical. Except, 1. Try not to develop on WSL from a Windows folder.
In my case the error appears because the port used belonged to reserved ports for Hyper-V. This port range changes when I restart my computer, so sometimes I get the error, sometimes no. To check reserved ports by Windows you can use cmd/PowerShell. The issue is described in this URL. General workaround: in comment 554,587,817, this URL. Fast workaround: choose a port that not belong to reserved ranges.
Kudos to Fanbrosi to find the thread in this URL. Here is the command to solve this annoying issue.
For me it was that Node is listening on the wrong network interface. After using Docker it was using the Docker network interface as primary. Disabling the network interface to force Node to use the correct interface did the trick.
If you want to support the channel,